Welcome to the RMail Feature Explained video short series on RMail's SideNote feature. To start, an RMail message returns to the sender a registered receipt email as their self-contained, durable, and verifiable proof record for proof of delivery, content, time sent and received, and proof of compliance. This video focuses on the RMail SideNote feature. Have you ever copied and/or blind copied a recipient and then sent them another email giving them context as to why they were copied? Have you ever been copied on an email and it isn't clear why or if there's some action you need to take? Have you ever not copied a recipient because you're concerned they will reply all? SideNote can help you in those situations. The purpose of the SideNote feature is to give context or instructions to the copied recipients as to what action to take or not take. To send, simply compose an email, press the Send Registered button, and if there's an address in the CC and/or BCC field, the SideNote checkbox will activate. You may use the SideNote feature in conjunction with any of the RMail features. In this case, it is a document sent for signature. On the feature pop-up, simply select the CC and/or BCC checkbox and add a note that will be visible only to those recipients and not to the recipients in the To field. Put simple instructions, thank someone, tell them not to reply all, or simply say that this is just an FYI. And make sure you view the video on the registered receipt email for proof of compliance. Thank you for listening.